At the end of part 1, you may recall me twittering on about not having the right bearings. Well, here is pinion bearing number 2 going in now, complete with shim pack.
Noisy thread. Looks like I'm going to need something to fit in between here and here. So back over at the bench, I'm going to put this in here to press against that shaft, and I'm going to put that in here to press against that. Now I've got a slight angle going on here, so I'm going to stand the whole thing up. Very thankful to the owner of this puller. I might have to go and buy one. So I've given all the gears and the carrier a good clean up in the parts washer. I've inspected all of the mating surfaces, and I'm happy that most of them are in very good condition. There is some scoring on the inside of the carrier, just here, but I don't think that that's going to cause me too many issues. There's also some wear on this shaft, and that I am a little bit more concerned about. A little bit more wear on this end of the shaft, but I'm going to have to let it go, I'm afraid. This is the play that I'm worried about. And now, see this crack? Now I'm really worried. So, having identified that this one has a crack in it, and is therefore scrap, I went down to a friend's, who owns a garage, who rebuilds Land Rover gearboxes. Told him about my woes, and he said, "Don't worry, Half Job George, I can sell you one of those." So I've got a new one. Now, I've been really struggling with this diff carrier, and the reason for that, apart from the fact that it was broken, turns out this pin was also bent when it was broken. And now that I've really cleaned it up, you can actually see where it's been wearing unevenly, and then as it's been wearing on the outsides here, it's been wearing on the insides here. I confirmed it was bent by rolling it across a flat table, a piece of granite, and I've replaced it with a new one.
With the new pin installed, the gears are much freer to turn. The plate was removed after I bought some fibre shims, which were missing. Well, I think that's quite enough diff chat for this episode. You'll have to join me in part 3 to see if we can get this thing finished. Thanks for watching. See you next time.